I do this every day. I go ahead and I make myself a little shake. Currently, I put some almonds in here, a Snickers bar, well, half a Snickers bar, and some banana and some coffee on top. And this isn't like strong coffee, it's just mild. And usually I would throw some protein in here, but I don't have any right now, so I'm not going to. And also I didn't work out yesterday, so I don't have to, so it's okay. But what I want to talk about is my fucking car. Guys, I popped another tire. And this time, it sucks because it wasn't like the rear left one. Because if it was a rear left one, I would be able to change it and get a new tire for like 40 bucks. But no, this was the fucking rear right one. So now I have to go buy a new tire. And let me show you how much these tires costing, so you guys know I'm not bullshitting, because I don't fuck around. Let me show you. Look at this. I hope you can see that. $225. And this was just in December, all right? It says it right here. Then I have this one that was literally just about a week ago. You know? So I've gone through 3 tires in 3 months. That's so bad. That's so horrible. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's my driving or if it's the alignment of my car. I really don't know. I have no clue. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take that tire off. Right now, I'm gonna go show you how flat it is. And then I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna find out where it got torn, or if it just popped, or if a nail's in it. I don't know yet. So we're gonna figure that out. Then we'll go from there. You see? That shit is flat. I know it doesn't look like it, but that's what a Bridgestone run flat looks like when it goes flat. See, this one's normal. It's crazy though, because this one popped this week, right? I already have my shit together. And this one just popped last week. So, like, I swear to God, you see this little dot? That means it's brand new. You can see where I hit a pothole when I popped this one last week. You can see where it almost broke my rim. Guys, if some of them are like really hard, what you gotta do is you gotta just step on it. And when you're taking these off, make sure you go in a pattern. So up, left, right, down, up. I think I'm off the ground. Now I just gotta take out the bolts. Watch this. I found it. I know what happened to my tire. See this? Look at this. Look at that. Right there. Fucking ripped. You see that? I thought my rim was cracked for a second, but no. Alright, it's just that.
Day 2.
This is actually the next day. Couldn't get the tire yesterday because of some stupid problem with that I was having with the manager, but whatever. So I'm actually waiting for my boy right now to just come pick me up so we could go get this tire, and I should be able to be back and just throw it on my car, and hopefully everything's good. Alright, and you see I got my tire back on. I got it mounted and everything, but let me tell you what happened. So this bitch ass fucking manager, old man, was like on some weird shit, and he wouldn't want to sell me the tire for like its original price for the I got the other one. I'm gonna test its tire pressure. I tested all the other ones. They're pretty good. It has to be 35. So let's see. I'll leave it there. Yeah, it's supposed to be at 35. But let me go inside and tell you guys this fucking story. This guy, this manager, I wasn't sure if I was gonna talk about this, but I am, because fuck that guy and fuck his kids too. This is what he was doing to me. So yesterday, when I got there, I have already bought a tire from that same place before, right? It's like called Just Tires or some shit like that. So I bought tires from there before. My tire, the one that I bought today, I ended up getting it. So everything's fixed. The tire I bought today usually cost me $225, right? That's how much I got it for before. This guy yesterday would not want to sell me the tire for that price. He wanted to sell it to me for $308. And it's not about the money. I could have paid it, but I just was not going to do it because I have already let him hustle me one time, right? And let me explain. About a week ago or two, I popped another tire, but I have warranty on it. So I was able to get it replaced for $25. But he charged me for the tire rotation, tire balancing, and for mounting it. That's supposed to be all included. I didn't tell him shit because I was like, whatever, it's only $20. Maybe he needs it. But I work at fucking at a exotic car dealership. So how, I know what the fuck you're doing. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Maybe you get paid based on commission, whatever. I'm not gonna say shit. So I didn't give him shit for it, right? This is the second time I was dealing with him yesterday. And he was trying to hustle me now for $80, and I was just not having it. And my boy Elber was like, bro, fuck that guy. We'll just come back tomorrow morning and talk to the other guy. So that's what we ended up doing. I kind of wanted I wanted to see him again. At the same time I didn't, because I don't really like confrontation, right? But if the guy starting shit with me, he could get it, Aside from all that bullshit, I do want to say this. I have 250 subscribers right now. If this is the first time you're watching my video, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I talk a lot of shit, or I sound like I talk a lot of shit sometimes, but I'm not a bad person. I'm pretty cool. I'm really just trying to help everybody out. The next videos that I'm trying to do is this summer that's coming up. I'm gonna start my own little private business, doing details, working on cars, just working on cars really. So that's the plan, and hopefully you guys watch that, and hopefully it works out. And if it does, you guys are watching it, and if you're interested in doing something similar, or starting your own shop, your own business, hopefully you do it too, and it helps you guys out, because that's what I really want to do. I want to help you guys out.